Gateway.
Introduction to Public Speaking. Lecture 6. Engaging the Audience. Engaging the audience is crucial for a successful presentation. Techniques for capturing and maintaining audience attention include storytelling, using humor, and using multimedia. Incorporating audience interaction and participation can also keep the audience engaged. In conclusion, engaging the audience is a crucial aspect of effective communication and presentation skills. By capturing their attention, maintaining their interest, and creating meaningful connections, you can enhance the impact of your message and achieve your desired outcomes. Whether you are delivering a speech, conducting a meeting, or presenting to a group, understanding your audience's needs, adapting your content to their preferences, and incorporating interactive elements can make a significant difference in the overall success of your communication efforts. Capturing attention. Storytelling is a powerful tool for capturing attention. Use humor to make the audience feel more comfortable. Use multimedia to keep the audience engaged and interested. Audience interaction. Incorporating audience interaction can help keep the audience engaged. Ask questions throughout the presentation. To get the audience involved, use polls, quizzes, and other interactive activities to keep the audience engaged. In conclusion, asking questions and managing audience responses is a vital skill for effective communication and engagement. By strategically incorporating questions into your presentations or discussions, you can stimulate critical thinking, encourage active participation, and create a more dynamic and interactive environment. Additionally, adeptly managing audience responses, whether through active listening, acknowledging contributions, or addressing concern, fosters a sense of inclusivity and strengthens the connection between you and your audience. Handling interruptions. Interruptions can happen during a presentation, so it's important to be prepared. Stay calm and professional when handling interruptions. Address the interruption and then quickly get back to the presentation. Challenging situations. Challenging situations can arise during a presentation, but it's important to stay focused. Be respectful when addressing challenging questions or comments. Use the opportunity to clarify your position or point of view. In conclusion, handling interruptions and challenging audience situations requires skillful navigation and adaptability in communication. Interruptions can disrupt the flow of a presentation or discussion, but by remaining calm, assertive, and respectful, you can effectively address them and redirect the focus back to your message. Challenging audience situations, such as disagreements or difficult individuals, can be managed through active listening, empathy, and maintaining a constructive and inclusive environment. By handling interruptions and challenging situations with poise and professionalism, you can maintain control, preserve the integrity of the discussion, and ensure that everyone's voices are heard. Do's and don'ts. Do use humor to make the audience feel more comfortable. Don't use offensive language or material. Do encourage audience interaction and participation. Do use engaging visuals and multimedia. Don't rely solely on slides to convey your message. Do be prepared to handle interruptions and challenging situations.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.